top 5 bikes in the world. Can also be subjective and depend on various factors such as performance, design, technology, and popularity. Here are 5 bikes that were considered among the top performers and most acclaimed during that time. 1. Ducati Panigale V4 R. A high-performance, sport bike from Ducati. The Panigale V4 R features a powerful 998cc V4 engine, advanced electronics, and race-inspired aerodynamics. 2. BMW S1000RR. The BMW S1000RR is a popular sport bike known for its performance and technology. It is equipped with a powerful inline-four engine, cutting-edge electronics, and agile handling. 3. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. The Ninja H2R is a hyperbike known for its mind-blowing acceleration and top speed. It is powered by a supercharged 998cc inline-four engine, and designed for track use. 4. Yamaha YZF-R1. Yamaha's YZF-1 South African Rand is a renowned sport bike known for its balanced performance, sharp handling, and a high-revving inline-four engine. 5. Honda CBR 1000RR Fireblade SB. The Fireblade SB is a sport bike from Honda, designed for track-oriented performance. It is equipped with a powerful inline-four engine, advanced electronics, and a lightweight chassis.